Hello everyone. We are live. Great. So, good afternoon. Today we couldn't do our Insta live in the evening because there are some important meetings happening, and so we had to do this very important conversation in the afternoon. And I'm sure we'll have a very good audience and participation. Okay, sorry. So if you're able to hear me, just give me a thumbs up so that I know. And Kalyan Kumar has also joined us. Let me tell you about this Insta Live. It is called Wednesdays for Waste Warriors. Sorry. And because I work for water as well, so kabhi kabhi water aa jata hai. So Wednesdays for Waste Warriors, and WWW equals to 5 hours of waste management. And this is our second episode, and we are happy to have our guest from Coimbatore, Mr. Kalyan Kumar, and he's doing something very awesome. I'm sure you've watched his videos, and on social media he keeps sharing about the new designs that he's come up with. And today we'll be in conversation with him about all his products from him directly. So, hello, Kalyan Kumar, how are you?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Thank you.
Are you able to hear me? All right. So, welcome, and thank you for
Thank
adjusting
you.
with the change in time. I'm really, grateful. And we have our other members from the group, My Waste, My Responsibility, who will be helping us with the question on answers, and if there are any comments from the participants that they would like an answer from you. So welcome again, and why don't you tell us about your journey? You can start how this, I've just introduced you as
First time, first
you're
time
from
thanks to
Coimbatore,
first time thanks to
so
my
you can.
dad only. I'm take full of take experience from my dad. Because my dad also in machinery field. That only guide
Mm-hmm,
me to this field. Before I'm before
mm-hmm,
BBA I am discontinued because of family situation. I
mm-hmm,
discontinued my studies are all because of my dad
mm-hmm.
health situation. That's a period. After that I didn't go to continue that colleges are all. After that I'm joined with my dad. Before I'm doing Areca plate, Areca plate making machine. That field only 16 to 17 years
Yes.
I'm in that field only. After that, so many
Mm-hmm.
people lost in that field because of the raw material. Raw material did not get regularly.
Yeah.
Only 6 to 7 months only we in yearly 6 to 7 months only we can get raw material. That's the reason only so many people stop that
Mm-hmm.
project. And I take a small survey. What are all agri material humans throw away? Take small research. Then only I start this project.
Mm-hmm. Good. And what do you tell us about your brand, or if you have a few
Yeah.
products, you can show us the products.
This one make it in a rice brand. This one teacup. This one 100 ml
Okay.
teacup. This one
Mm-hmm.
200 ml
Mm-hmm.
water glasses. This one. This one make it in a peanut
Mm-hmm.
cell. This one. Uh,
Oh,
this one make it
okay.
in a banana leaf. Banana leaf plus food powder added with it.
Wow. Mm-hmm.
This one make it in a lemongrass. Lemongrass. That one grass. Yeah, that one make it in.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The spoons are all make it in. wood powder plus banana leaf only. This one.
Great.
This one
So you
for
have
ice cream cup,
expanded.
ice cream packaging cup.
Oh,
Yeah, this one make it in a sugar can waste. Sugar can waste. Yeah.
wow. So you're using all the agro waste that people are
This
wondering
one
what to do
for
with.
container box for the packaging that mushroom like that all. Yeah. Yeah, airtight lid also available. This all make it in banana leaf only. Sir.
That's good. So this can be used
Packaging,
for
yeah,
the
packaging.
packaging of
What are all
products.
product in plastic? Possible to make it in agri material.
Huh? Yes. So I always looked at you as a great warrior who's doing this amazing creative service, very innovative, and you're solving many
Yeah,
problems at the same time. Waste management, then the stubble
yeah,
burning is a very big air pollution issue.
yeah.
So agro waste can be used, and you are using it. And I guess there are many more, like plastic pollution. The landfills are getting filled. The list is endless. So it's really lovely to see that your innovation is just, it's on a roll. Every month or every few weeks, I see a new
Thank you,
post and a
thank
new
you.
product from you. So how did you think of including agro
That
waste?
is accidental only. Corona first lockdown period. That period only I stopped at start that first project. Just I'm walkable period. Nearly sawmills are all available. Sawmills. That sawmill sawdust are all wastely throw away and street wastes are so many dusters available. I take small survey what we can do in that sawdust and take and corona period I didn't in home. I go to my company only. Yeah, go to my company. Yeah, my wife are all fight with me. Why you all this period also go to company like that? Yeah, like that. So many fight also come to from my wife. Yeah. And take small survey what we can do in that. First 6 months I'm full of failure only. First 6 months, I didn't come proper answer in that. Cup shape, rough answer only, and proper lifetime also not come in that. Fill water mean within a few seconds that leakages are all come in that. And look wise also not good look wise in that project. So many failure I'm sometime I'm stopped that project also. What we can do, so many failure in that. Like that I'm thinking. In that night dream only came small click in that. And another day
Oh, great.
successful I get answer.
Okay.
Yeah,
So what was the dream?
that also I think my dad only given that blame that there is small take
Okay.
result and binding material only that also simple concept. I catch in my hand. Open mean so many people I can know this also easily method. So many people machine manufacturer going in wrong way. That's only problem. Machinery
Oh,
manufacturer one machine one raw material concept only in market. So many people machine manufacturer
oh,
one machine one raw material. Example areca plate mean only you can make areca plate only. Sugar cane bag means sugar cane bag is only in
okay.
that machine. So many people for that reason only lost in that. So only change my project. In my machine you can use about 30 to 35 number of raw material. Yeah, because
Oh,
you can
amazing.
satisfy all type of customer. Because 3 to 4 type of customer in
Mm.
market. Hygiene, high range cost wise, that people are all rate no problem. Example per cap proper answer mean about 10 rupee also ready to buy. Another type of customer rate also
Okay.
reasonable rate, product also good finishing like that we want. Another customer dead rate. I want only below 50 to 1 rupee 50 paise like that only he want. We can satisfy all type of customer. We can make it in banana leaf mean banana leaf manufacturing cost per cup only 30 paise only. Banana leaf because banana leaf for all we
Oh,
can get free cost only. banana leaf supplier, that cutting pieces are all throwaway only. We can easily collected in city place, leaf selling place like that all.
Yeah.
And sugar cane juice shop, we can
Yeah.
get that sugar cane waste, that are all free of cost. In a
Yeah.
vegetable shop, so many vegetables are all throwaway. We can collect that vegetable, we can make it that
Yeah.
product. Yeah. In onion peel, we can make it in onion peel, garlic
Yeah.
peel, like that. Yeah.
That's good. So that's good. And so in this,
Yeah,
let's say
I'm
two
now I reached
years
2 year,
that you
but
have.
last in this year only I can successfully reach the target. Yeah. Yeah.
So 2022,
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
you started getting success. And I have read that you've got recognition.
Yeah.
Many
So many
people have
people
given,
support my project. Yeah.
certificates and
Yeah.
appreciation. Yes, yes. So would you like to tell
Uh,
something about that?
what, ma'am? Once again. Yeah, first time.
Appreciation, your appreciation and support.
First time I'm only nearly first time make one first project. I give to a nearly tea shop only. But he told per cup that 1 2 rupee not he not accepted because paper cup are all 40 paise only. 2 rupee worthable cost are all not suitable to me.
Hmm.
So I am not ready to buy. Like that answer
Hmm.
only come to me. Then only I start as a private. I am start YouTube channel and create some. So many people encourage me. Yeah, so super answer. Now not guarantee after 10 to 15 year guarantee super hit this project like they told to me. So I am didn't stopped this ready to follow. மீண்டும் மஞ்சப்பை Tamil Nadu program. I am attend that மீண்டும் மஞ்சப்பை program. That's a very superior Sagu ma'am. Yes, IAS officer. That ma'am only
Yeah,
encourage
yeah,
me.
yeah.
Good, I can ready to support. He Twitter page. He upload my videos, everything. He take small interview from me. Upload it video. Then only I can. So many people before. Some media Saral I take please take interview told to that person. That's the period not support from media.
Yeah.
You pay minimum 50,000, then only I can give a news like that are all told to me. After that Supriya Sagama meeting, that media people are all freely take interview. I think above 15 number of media take me interview. After that Supriya Sagama meeting, then only good support from media also.
Yes. Yes. That's very true, because I have been reading. I've been following you since, I guess, since lockdown, when I first saw your tweet and I
Okay.
first saw your products. So I have been connected with you since then, and I also saw Miss Supriya Sahu's tweets and how she supports, and we really support. In fact, there was a time when I wanted to set up this the setup.
Okay.
I live in Pune, so I
Yeah.
remember I asked
Okay,
you for
ma'am. Okay.
quotation also,
Okay.
that I wanted to set it up. Yeah, but you need to have the raw
Yeah, yes,
material
ma'am. So
easily
many
available
people
for you to
lost
set up.
because of that raw material only. Because machine easily in her hand,
Yes.
but raw material go long away, about 200 to 300 kilometer. That's all the reason product not get a proper rate. So only take a small survey where you
Yes.
launch machine within 5 to 10 kilometer. What agri material he can get easily, that we can use. That only my concept. That's mean a
Yes.
proper
Yes.
manufacturing rate get profit get that manufacturer also proper rate give to customer also. That's on, customer
Customer
also. That's it.
also. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. I recently
Okay,
spoke to a
ma'am.
lady in Pune who started this plate making
Okay.
machine, but it is like
Yeah.
200 kilometers in a village. And I asked her, why do you have it so
Uh,
far away in the village? And she said that the
that's
raw
only problem.
material is available there. So after the plates are made, the person sends it in a truck, and then they do the repacking and everything. But that is how that is the correct way of using these machines,
Yeah.
wherever the raw material is available in abundance. So I think, do you suggest that farmers, like every village, should have one machine, one setup
Yeah,
like
the
this, where there
farmers
are a
are
lot of
also good
farmers?
support to farmer. Farmer also, example in banana field, banana tree, after pick banana trees are all cut out in that field only, throw away only. In one per
Yeah.
banana tree, we can make
True.
about 300 cup possible to make. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
300 cups in
300
one banana tree
in one
we can
banana.
make. Yeah,
Wow. Wow. And you said how much is the one banana cup?
manufacturing
Kitne
cost only
paisa?
30 paisa,
One.
but customer ready to pay 1 rupee. Yeah, ready
Okay.
to pay 1 rupee. Yeah, ready to pay.
1 rupee. So, so from one banana tree, one can
Yeah,
earn 300 rupees. It's
yeah.
not a waste. So that is how we have to show the picture to the
We
farmers
want
and
to
these
create awareness from that
people who
farmer.
think,
Yeah, then only we can reach the target. Yeah.
yeah, yes, you're right. And farmers, after the crops are done
Yeah,
and they have
right.
harvested, they are in a hurry
Yeah,
what
that's
to do
only.
with the waste. But then we have to talk to them again and again that it's not waste, it's a resource
Yes.
for extra income. And what about other like sugarcane? I heard that sugarcane waste usually
Yeah,
goes
yes,
to the
ma'am.
paper mills.
But
So how
that
did
sugar cane because sugar mills are all that don't sell totally bulkily sell in out of for to making current so many project in that. That one that sugar cane not possible. That one project heavy. We want to do in that sugar mill product mean a heavy invest we want to do. Not suitable for middle stage people, sir. Middle stage people mean we can get it in
okay?
sugar cane juice shop only. Yeah, this cup,
Oh, acha.
this cup.
All right.
I am this machine selling to Delhi. He have an above
Okay.
100 number of sugar cane juice shop. This person have a juice shop and also he have a
Okay.
sugar cane. He make a sugar cane ice cream. This person, yeah. So
Oh,
only buy this
great.
project from me. Yeah.
Huh.
Last week only
Okay.
this machine I dispatched to
So
Delhi.
that's
Yeah.
great. So then he makes he
Yeah.
has sugarcane
Juice.
sells sugarcane
Ice
juice,
cream. Then
makes sugarcane ice
wastage
cream,
make the
and makes
yeah
the
like that
cups
only.
from the waste. That's
Zero
amazing.
waste
So that means that is
like that
zero
only.
waste. And how does this get
What ma'am?
composted?
Yeah,
This
that one
cup,
good answer. Yeah, good answer.
is it
But
100?
good support from that customer. And also lifetime sugar ice creams are all that one semi-liquid only. So ice creams are all not suddenly
Yeah.
come leakages are all. That are all good support. He told after packing ice cream, lifetime he want only 10 to 15 days only. 10 to 15 days he fix it in freezer. Freezer. So cup are all not
Freezer.
damages. And that's very cups are all not damages. Good support from that customer. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And what about biodegradable? These products are
Yeah,
all
100%.
100%
I didn't added any
biodegradable?
chemical like that at all. 100% biodegradable only. And organic. I told after use don't throw away. Can use cow feed, cattle feed like that at all. Yeah.
Cow.
My concept is organism can eat.
Yes.
That only organic product. Yeah.
That's
Uh,
really a
uh,
simple explanation, uh, because when the cows and dogs and birds they
plastics
eat the
only.
plastic, that it's really sad to see, because we, by using plastic and
Yeah.
by depending on plastic, we are harming our life, our health, as well as animals and birds health.
Yeah.
So it's really sad. But so good to hear from you that you really care
Thank you.
for the environment, that it can be used as a cow feed as a last you know by like
Yeah,
last
and
wasted or the
also we
used
can
product can
recycle
also
this
be.
project also. In the tea shops are all after use don't throw away. We can recollect it. Suppose I didn't have cow farm, cattle farm. What I can do this project like that answer
Yeah,
come from the tea shop mean we can recollect it
yeah.
after we crush it. We can make other product, not food
Uh-huh.
product. We can make other that like bottle guard boxes, alternative for thermocol like that. Bottle guard boxes, motor
Oh,
guard, packaging
oh,
boxes. Another type of plastic we
okay.
can do that.
So you
Ah,
can still reuse it
after
after
use this
cleaning and
project,
washing?
after we crush it, we can make other product, other plastic alternative
And
product.
using the same machine?
Same machine. We change the diamond. We can same machine. Example, flower pot. We can make flower pot like that. Or all. Yeah.
Okay. So, how many dyes are used, or do you give, or people have to
First
buy
time
different
told to
dyes?
invest any. First I told to own invest or go to loan, like that explanation from that customer. Suppose own invest mean I told to only one project told to buy machine, any one machine. Example, teacup or food packaging box. That only the teacup first rank. Food packaging box inquiry second rank. Because Swiggy, Zomato like the team are all go to plastic because of airtight lid only. So first only one machines one day only I give to the customer. Extra spare day I think waste because daily change the day mean we cannot get a good production in that. That's the reason any one machine told to buy
Yeah.
one machine, and also I follow three rule to the customer. First one raw material, no raw material
Okay.
complaint to that customer. Second one machine maintenance. I 95 to 100% of machine complaint I teach to the customer. Second, third one marketing. Three reason only drop of the business. So many people drop of the business. Raw material high rate or demand and raw material market mean that people stop that business. So only teach 4 to 5 raw material concept I teach to the customer. And on machine maintenance, so many people don't know. He don't know about proper answer how to solve the machine complaint. Again and again, mission nearly mean I attend the complaints. So long mean I cannot because I didn't have labor to support to that customer. I teach to the customer how can solve the complaint, the machine maintenance, how to maintain the machine. Everything I teach to the customer. Third one marketing. I have separate app for that. SPS Kalyan Kumar app. After weekly or monthly production, he uploaded in that app mean buyer directly contact to the customer. Manufacture to end user, not
Okay.
mediator. Manufacture to end user only. Yeah. I follow
Yes, that
three
is
rules
very
to the
important
customer.
because very, very,
Okay.
very good rules. And like you said, manufacturer to customer, it
Yeah,
saves
man.
the extra
Good
cost
profit to
because
the manufacturer and reasonable price to the customer. That's only. Yeah.
yes, and only that when we
Yeah,
promote
yes,
that
ma'am.
kind of solution, that behavior change from plastic to
Yeah, yes.
sustainable product will happen. Right now, the sustainable products
Yeah,
are
yes.
so expensive. So when we say zero waste, people think
Yeah.
it's only for the rich people, but
Yeah.
it's not true. So
Thank you.
thank you very much for thinking about all the
Thank
points,
you.
nearly all the points. You have
Thank you. Thank you.
taken care of. Now, would you like to share some of your um, very bad times or very bad
Bad experience mean
experience?
first time my project make like an fully automation machine only. That's a period that my machine cost I quoted 45 lakh. That's a period. Per day we can make about 15 to 20,000 pieces of in my machine per day production. That's a period also good support. But so many people capture the project ready to your total pattern you give to me uh, like that only. And
Oh,
some people are all warning. Now you don't start this business. Like in Paper Cup Field Association, that members are all give
yeah,
warning
yeah.
to me. Don't start this business. I give any money, what money you want. I give that pattern to me. Like that. So many warning like that are all
Oh
come to
my.
me. That's a period I stopped that project. Maximum heavy invest like above 15 to 20,000 heavy invest going mean only that like that warning that all come to me. So I stopped that project. Then I changed my business to middle stage people. Now my machines now value are all 5 to 6 lakh like that only. Now I didn't have any disturbance to me. Yeah, properly running now. Yeah.
But that is a smart move because all these associations are targeting the bulk and the bulk manufacturing, factory. So, but it's very sad to hear that you got threatened by all these associations. They should be happy that
because
there is
that
some
another
innovation
projects are
happening.
all heavy investor. That for example paper cup, that sugarcane bagas, that are all sugarcane bagas are all I am not accept. That are all not organic. If guaranteed mildly polythene added in that. Human
Oh,
only go to
oh,
lab or all. Animal you give to that animal that one cannot eat. That sugarcane bagas that one cannot eat.
oh,
Yeah.
oh. So you are also
That
making
also,
from the
but
sugarcane bagasse,
natural
some
sugarcane
product.
material we can add it in that.
Okay. So you mean to say the other sugarcane glasses and
That
other
are
sugarcane
all
plates
not
that are
pure
available in
organic,
the
ma'am. That
market,
are all
they are,
guarantee I told. That one not pure organic. Yeah. That one sugarcane bagas, that one not
oh,
pure
oh.
organic.
But
Nah.
their stickers say that.
Government paid money mean you can give that approved like that only going there.
But
Yeah.
that's really sad. What about like like we said about the
Yeah, like that
trademark or
I have a
uh,
lab reports now. Lab reports I have available. Now only apply to told to Supriya Sagar ma'am, I want a separate approved from government because I not only one raw material not in my hand. Total of about 30 to 35 raw material in my hand. I want a separate approved from
yeah,
government. Like that I told to that ma'am.
yes.
First you sell above
Hmm.
nearly of 100 number of machine. I can take a step
Hmm.
to you like that told to me.
That's good. And how many machines
Last
have you sold
year, now
annually?
I am reach 35 number of machines.
Okay. And you said each machine costs
5 to
around
6 lakh
five,
like that.
6 lakhs. Okay. And maximum,
Maximum biggest
the
machine,
biggest, the
most
most
machine,
expensive, most
that one
expensive.
nearly 12 lakh. That one food container box per unit cost. Lid separate machine,
Mm-hmm.
bottom box separate machine. Like that mean that one it's come 13
Okay.
lakh.
Okay. So can you please show
Yeah.
the food container again? You showed in the
This
beginning.
one, food
Um,
container.
yeah. So how many like
That one 500
grams
ml,
or
500
200
ml
grams,
box.
500 ml. All right. So uh, it can have, let's say, somebody's. Can the food industry use it like for
Because
biryani or
door delivery team
pasta
like Swiggy,
noodles?
Zomato, maximum that people are all go to
Yeah.
plastic because of airtight lid only.
Yeah.
That only I'm because in
Yeah.
organic material before not anybody successful in airtight lid or banding in
Uh,
rubber band or lightly closed paper only in that. Aluminum foil are also not a
uh,
good answer. Aluminum foil also. Plastic so only so many
yeah.
people go to
Yes.
plastic. I beat that one.
Hmm.
This one after lock not opening.
So
After lock the
uh,
lid not opening.
okay. So it has some kind of a vacuum seal, kind of a. How does it
What ma'am?
not open?
Yeah.
If you lock it, how does it
That one I
become
give
tight?
accuracy in for lid and bottom box. Accuracy gap only I given in that. Light chamber I given in the top and
Okay.
bottom. We pressing in that
Mm-hmm.
boxes mean that one attitude. That is come attitude.
Okay. All right. All right. So how many restaurants or food companies are
So
taking
many
these
people
boxes
good
machine?
support from me. That manufacturer only not support because that people are all want more per day production. All per day order also I have above 50,000 order also in my hand. But not
Hmm.
support from mission buyer only. Uh, Bill set people I am handle that people.
Okay.
But he want below 5 to 6 lakh order worthable order only come to me. For teacup machine
Hmm.
only mostly I sell. Food container box only 2 people only is
Okay.
by machine, that machines.
Okay. So how about the food container box? If they divide it into two parts, one person takes the lid and one person takes
No,
the,
no, no. Like that
bottom
mean
part,
not
then
not
two people.
proper answer come from customer. I sell per punch. I change my project now. That one separate machine mean that one
Okay.
cost it's come about 18 lakh. So I, per punch we can make a bottom and lid in same machine. Like that concept I am doing
Oh,
now.
that's
Yeah,
good.
that machine now ready in my hand. 4 machines now. Next month ready
Oh,
to
that's
deliver
good.
that machine. Yeah.
So now what will
This
be the
machine
new
cost
cost?
this one is now 6.4. Per punch we can make
That's good.
4 bottom 4 lid 500 ml box. 250 ml mean 6 bottom 6 lid
Okay.
in same punch. Per punch we can make 6 number of box in that machine. Yeah.
And what is the life of the
Machine
machines?
that one 3 complaints only in machine. Electrical motor I used only Havells motor, company motor. That one have a guarantee. That's on yearly guarantee have. The machine dies are all make it in metal die only, heavy metal die. Lifelong no problem.
Mm-hmm.
That one dies are all metal. Machine
Okay.
made in hydraulic formula. Hydraulic formula mean maintenance are also simple. You can easily handle that. Only oil leakage complaint only in that. Machine are also making like resale value only. Guarantee after 10 year also this machine guarantee worthable. This project. Yeah.
So they are sturdy. And have you thought of, like you said, these are on
Yeah,
they use
electrician.
electricity, right? So are you thinking of moving to renewable energy source like
That also I
solar?
take small survey, but I just solar mean that also first invest heavy because in solar consult in solar he want per kilowatt 50,000 solar energy. We want to divert solar energy. Want if we want per kilowatt watt mean 50,000. We want 12.5 kilowatt total unit.
Hmm.
Yeah, solar energy also
Oh,
possible, but first investment heavy in that solar energy. Yeah.
oh. Have you contacted Selco Foundation and Schneider? They are doing a
No,
lot of
no,
solar projects.
no, no.
Have you
Yeah,
contacted them?
okay, ma'am.
I will
Yeah,
connect you
yeah,
to.
okay.
I will connect you. Yeah. So there's a question: are the machines computer
What, ma'am?
guided? Do you use computer,
Automation that also in my hand because
yeah.
of that some other problems only stop the project.
Hmm.
Some people ready to investment that project also I ready to do. Fully automation project also in my hand.
Okay.
Investor only not
Okay.
ready now. Yeah.
Okay. And how much will the investment be for that?
That
How
one you
much
want to fully
investment do
automation
you
mean
need for the?
raw material filling also fully automation.
Hmm.
You fill the raw material in cone mean automatically fill in die cavity. Automatically loading raw material after forming product automatically jumping in conveyor belt. That one fully automation total of that project now approximately it's come 40 to 45 lakh extra. Mm.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah,
That will
that's
be
all.
very expensive. So there's another question. Cheshta's asked, if we use grains and perishable materials, won't they decompose over time?
That one differ between raw material. That one. Um,
Okay.
within
So,
example that powder content raw material are all within 2 days degrade that one. Example the right brands are all
oh,
teacups are all
yeah.
after filling tea coffee anything 40 to 45 minutes no problem. Yeah,
Okay.
after within 2 days powdering mean that one decompose that one easily. Fiber
So, as
content
in,
material are all
it will,
within 1 or 2 months that one.
hmm.
Fiber content, that coir,
So fiber content
coir,
like
that banana fiber like that.
banana. Mhm. Okay. So these are the products, shelf life without using. The moment you open the packet and use it, then they will biodegrade within
no moisture
within a
mean no
week.
problem. Example, you without using mean only in packaging mean guarantee 6 to 8 months no problem. No.
Okay. Okay. But we have moisture problem, like in Pune, there's so much moisture, humidity, sometimes that, everything in the kitchen starts getting mold, and the same thing is in many other cities. So do we store it in a specific way? What is the best
That
way
one
to
making
store?
process we change it. Manufacturing process, making process,
Okay.
we can increase the binding method, and we change added some edible oil making process time. We can add it the edible oil mean that one
Okay.
moisture complaints not attend in the product.
Okay. And there's a question. So, do you provide training about proportions, etc., once someone
Yes,
buys a
ma'am.
machine from
After
you?
buying machine,
Okay.
1 or 2 day I teach in my company. I'm making process everything. In Tamil Nadu, nearly of I apply one person after launch machine, visit to that customer place and teach every training I give to that customer. So long I told to that customer visit my place. 2 to 3 days stay in my company. After teach everything, yeah. Because so long the transportations are also heavy to
Yeah.
me. That's a period 2 to 3 days he
Yes.
stay in my company. After what making process, mixing process of binding material, everything I teach to the customer. Yeah.
Okay. Great. So, how do you ship the machines? How do you send
Some
the
people have
machines?
own vehicle collect with me, and some people get it in logistic like that VRL logistic like that arouse you get it.
Okay. So, as in, do you use only the? I was thinking, do you
Yeah,
use
like
only
that
the
only.
trucks, or do you
Transportation
also
separate
use
only
train?
because he safely he want that machine mean separate vehicle only best for that person. Because logistics are all
Yes.
so many material in that machines are all get damages. That problem are all attended.
Yes.
So many people separate vehicle only.
So, how do you pack the machine? How do you pack the machine for
First thing, no,
sending
no,
in
carton
carton
box, not
box?
that safe packed only because electrical equipment only is safely packing. The catch, the thermocol, like that
Yeah.
carton box, like that are all. Because another material are heavy metal only. That one are all not damages.
Hmm.
That's all no problem.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. And what is the long distance? Who's the long distance farthest
One,
client customer for you?
Dubai and Belgium. Yeah.
Belgium. Okay. So I saw the photograph
Yeah,
that people from Belgium had come to visit. Yes. Good. So
and
which
he
machine did they
buying
buy?
one person buying cup machine, another Dubai person buying wine glass. He make it wine glass,
Why?
300 ml wine glass. That one
Wine glass.
make it
Wow.
in from seed, date seed, date seed, date seed,
Huh?
dates, date seed.
Date
After press
seed.
the powder
Okay.
the dates, he make that wine glass.
Yeah.
Belgium make it in beer waste, beer waste.
Okay. Okay, because in Dubai
Yeah.
they have a lot of dates, so
Yeah.
that is a raw material available. Yeah, that's good. So how did you design that, or how did you, wine glass
Yeah, I
was a new product
can
for
first
you.
time told to the customer only marketing or I want to support the market mean. Support he only marketing mean told some drawing have any drawing, they have any own shape like that I told to the customer. Suppose he didn't have that shape mean I know solid work. Solid work I first I give that to that drawing to that customer. After he satisfied like that project I have CNC machine. Uh, what shape of product he want, that shape I finally drawing, and after okay mean then I start work like that.
Okay. Okay. So, did you have a lot of dates around you available so that
What
you
mean?
could try
Yeah, that one
the seeds,
first
the date
so
seeds?
critical to me because that date seed are all so hardened. We cannot powder it. After I told to that customer
Yes.
that powdering machine I didn't have. You have any arrangement mean after you powdering then you courier me. After I successfully get answer to you.
Huh.
Like that I told to the customer. After
Huh.
he
Huh.
powder that material, he send courier me
Huh.
minimum 5 to 10 kg courier me. After I first time that are also critical
Okay.
to me. That new projects are all first time critical to me.
Okay.
Proper answer not come to me.
Mm-hmm.
After 2 to 3 months, I success the project. Yeah.
Oh, that's good. So, like your wife was,
Yeah.
I totally
First
understand
time,
and
first time he
empathize
not
with her
support.
that.
First, why you waste money in this like that told to me. After only he good support now.
That's good. So that means, how do you get to spend any time at home, or you're always in the lab and factory?
And he told always, first wife, your work only. I am second wife to you. Like that told me.
Totally, totally. So, what about your father? Is
No,
he
he
happy
died.
now
That's
that
only
you have?
he died.
Oh,
Suppose he look my projects now means he's so happy now.
I'm
Yeah.
sure his blessings are guiding you, and yes. So amazing. Now, do you want to tell our listeners and people who are watching you something about if they want to start? How can they start? Do you want to give
Yeah,
them a
yes, no,
little
first he
guidance?
want own confident. I am give only one way to you. How can win in that project win? So many people didn't have one confident. Only invest in that project only. Secondary, what we can do
Mm-hmm.
only he didn't any thinking. That's the main minus. I just only one way. What project, what raw material, like that answer I can give to the customer. But so many people, I am
Yeah.
last 1 year. I think three machine I return back also because of so many
Oh,
people after that corona, so many people not
mm-hmm.
proper working also. Within
Yeah.
so many people 2 to 3 hour only working in machine. How can get profit? So many people lost in
That's
that project, like that project. I told now period we want a monthly reasonable profit. 30 to 40,000 only can get we can get we can run a family like that only a machine designing
mm-hmm.
also and the 5.2 lakh machine per day we running
Mm-hmm.
8 hour mean we can get a monthly profit 30 to 40,000 like that only I design the machine. So many maintenance and also in that period. I told properly we want to handle the how can handle the project, how can satisfy the customer like that we want to know. I told
Mm-hmm.
only don't invest money. Secondary we want how can
Yeah.
develop the project, how can ready to win. That are all in her own hand only. That only
Yeah.
I told to the customers. Yeah.
That, that's true. So people, when somebody is buying
Yeah.
from buying a machine, and you're saying that 8 hours
Now we
you
want
should run the
guarantee
machine
8 hour
and
mean
make
and also properly running mean guarantee we can reach example 20 cavity means per punch we can make 20 number of cup. Guarantee we can take 2000 pieces. I told. No, to, don't go to 2000. Only
Mm,
1500 pieces also. We can get a guarantee profit
mm,
30,000
mm,
rupees in monthly. So many people not follow that rule.
mm.
Yeah, that's a problem now.
And what about the punch? Like,
That
how
one
much
4
time does
minute.
it take to
4
prepare
minute per
and
shot 4
4
minute. Per hour we can make 12 to 14 shot
okay,
possible
12 to
per hour.
14 per hour. So that means in 8 you
Yeah,
can do
guaranteed.
so many. Wow. Hmm. And how many assistants does one need to have?
I
How many
have
assistants do
now
you
in
have?
my hand 6 people. people.
6 people. Okay. And they are
Yeah,
working 8
hour,
hours
8 hour,
shift?
not 10 hours. Yeah, first time he so disappointed. What sir? He so heavy work you give to me, like that. Told to me. After reach media, he is so happy. So many people so impressive to me. Then he good support from me. That people also happy. So many people not follow. That people I
Yeah.
stopped. Now in my hands, 6 people. 6 people are all good answer.
Hmm. Okay. Good. So, what about, do you see this as also a youth and women empowerment project? You know,
Yeah, yes,
women
ma'am.
can
My
do
machine
that.
also designed like that only. So I think 60% of machines running women's only. Selling machines,
Okay.
60% of machines running women only. Yeah.
Mhm. And do you think maintenance, how much, do they need to be technical minded? Do they need
No,
to
no,
be
we don't want, ma'am.
engineers
Only
to
3
know
complaint
the
in
machine?
machine. On heater complaint,
Uh-huh.
another hydraulic spare, third one motor. Heater complaints mean only for heater. Heaters are all ready-made heater only. Suppose heater gone mean we can easily change the heater. And heater port another one regulator. That one regulator, that one minimum 200 to 300 rupee only. You can get anywhere in electrical shop. Another one hydraulic spare.
Okay.
Hydraulics are all 70% complaint oil leakages only. That one we can easily
Okay.
can solve the problem. Another one motor. Motor complaint mean maximum that Havells motor that service people all over India anywhere we can get. Only 3 complaint on
Okay.
machine. You can solve every problem. So only it is.
So, do you have guarantee
Yes,
warranty?
ma'am.
Okay.
I give
What is the
1
guarantee
year
warranty you
warranty
offer on the
to that customer. Any machine I can teach
Okay,
70% of
great.
complaint I teach in a video call only. So critical
Video.
proper answer not
Hmm.
come. Like that some damages making period damages are all come in die mean. I told to courier the die to my
Hmm.
company. After the solve and re-courier to that person.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, great. So, the, you know, sugarcane juice
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
shops
Yeah,
are
yes,
in
ma'am.
every city.
Every city available.
Every
Yeah.
city, every village has that. So, until now, you have orders from every
No,
city,
no, no.
mm, or only some
Uh,
Delhi,
Delhi, another people near of Bangalore. He make it in, yeah, make it in
Bangalore.
sugar cane only.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. And the
Peanut
peanut,
in maximum
peanut.
people in Tamil Nadu, 3 people that make it in peanut only. That in village people only. He
Mhm.
make it in peanuts alone. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So I think there is so much
Uh,
to still learn from you, and I think I
yeah.
will have another session with you with the farmers directly.
Yeah.
There are a lot of farmers group, and we will do a session with
Okay.
you and the farmers so that you can talk to them directly and tell them how this machine
Yeah.
can actually change their
Yeah.
problem
Okay.
into a solution.
Yeah,
Um,
that's only good because
Let's do that session soon.
want to create awareness from the people. Yeah, what we can do. So many
Yeah.
farmers that banana. I take small survey in banana field for to remove the banana after pick the banana, remove the tree. He's spending 200 rupee to remove the tree per
Per
tree to remove
tree
200
or
rupee
all
for
trees?
that. Tractor like that or all. Yeah.
And
Some people crush the tree in the field only. Wastely cut
hmm,
an tractor,
to
cut the
make
tree
it
in field only
uh,
like that.
hmm,
So many people and the minimum he's
hmm.
spending 30 rupee. 30 rupee to 200 rupee maximum wastely
So,
expenses to that. Uh,
so if we tell them that you can
yeah,
earn 300
yeah,
rupees from one tree, that they'll be happy, I'm sure. So we'll do that, and I think we'll do
Yeah,
that as
okay.
a Zoom session, or maybe where people can
Yeah,
talk
okay,
and
ma'am. Yeah,
interact with you, and
yeah, okay.
that will be great. And now I would like to request, if there are any questions that our participants have, please feel free to ask. And My Waste My Responsibility has, members from
Yeah,
so many
okay.
cities, about 25, 30
Yeah,
cities
okay.
we have, group members from, and more than
Okay.
200 members, and they are all interested in
Okay.
waste management solutions. What can we do? How can we make our cities, our streets, our roads better, cleaner? And your solution is an amazing solution.
Also, I
So
have about 10 to 15 number of project now in my hand. Step by step only. Next to my
great.
project, I go to baby toys. Yeah,
Oh,
because
that's
after the
nice.
plastic, baby toys only so many plastic in baby toys. I changed now.
Yes.
I'm started in alphabetical toys only. First time started the project. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Then next project,
So you're going to
letters
make the
like this
letters,
only. Alphabetic letter. Yeah.
okay. Okay, that's nice, and
Yeah.
that can be
Schools
used for
like that.
schools. Hmm, that's interesting. What
Yeah,
else are your
future
future
plans.
plans?
So now I'm suspensely didn't leak out. After successful only I told to you. Yeah.
No problem.
Thank you, ma'am.
We
Thank you.
wish you all the best. And, would you like to show, your products once again? And do you want
Yeah,
to
okay.
share your link that people can go and visit your website link,
Yeah,
or
okay.
how to contact
Yeah,
you? Are
okay.
free to share. And
This one
yes,
make
what is
it
this
in
made
a
of?
rice
You can
brand.
tell that also, and also.
Rice brand.
Mhm.
This one. This one a banana leaf. This one make it in.
Mhm.
This one I make it in peanut shell.
Mhm.
This one also banana. Make it in. This one make it in bamboo powder. Bamboo. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
So I had
definitely.
a question. If, if you said sawdust, you made some
Yeah,
products with
definitely.
sawdust, right? So and then what is your binding agent?
That one a edible binder only. That's one in
Okay.
pattern control. I so only I cannot fully answer you. After machine buyer
Yeah.
only, I explain full detail. I give to the machine buyer only. That one edible binder.
Okay.
And also I
So like,
cannot use all
okay. So
wood
then,
powder. I use only non-poison wood powders only. I want agri
yes,
material
yes.
anything without poison,
That's,
fungus, bacteria. Yeah.
yes.
Only that. Yeah.
Because that is
Because
important.
I first
Otherwise,
any
people
so
will
many
start
people
using something.
new material are all give to me in Kerala one carpet company. That one I have Ayurvedic facial cream manufacturing company. He give me ginger spent like that are all. The ginger spent and another so many people some other material and two material only I answer. First I give to the lab testing any
Mm.
side effect to human like the thorough testing.
Yeah.
That ginger spent are all
Mm.
superman sir and that ginger spent ginger coffee like that are all. Ginger coffee ma'am. That one I make the
Yeah.
ginger cup ginger tea
Yeah.
cup
Yeah.
only I fill only milk in
Yeah.
that. After we
Huh.
that one answer it's come ginger coffee like that answer. When we drink the milk, that answer it come ginger coffee.
Mm.
Uh,
Oh,
flavor
the
like that flavor answer it's
flavor.
come. Some material are all original answer it's come.
Even if it is, so even if it is
Yeah,
plain milk,
that
it
smell
gives
it's
you
come.
that
Some other
flavor.
material not good answer.
That's nice. Mm.
Yeah.
So it depends on the
Right.
smell of that
First I check the
waste
lab.
product.
Any side effect mean I avoid the material.
Mhm. So what about the other big leaves? Do you use all big leaves for
What
making plates?
ma'am? All
Big
big leaf.
leaf, big leaf
Ah,
for
yes, ma'am.
making plate.
Leaf, no. We
Leaf,
crush the leaf, then
do
only I
you,
use it. Crush the leaf, banana leaf
okay,
also possible.
after crushing?
Several plate. Make it in
Mhm.
lemongrass. That one. Lemongrass.
After crushing,
After crush that
after
one.
crushing.
We
Mhm.
cannot use large leaf, not
Okay,
possible. After crush the leaf, then only possible.
okay,
Usually.
okay, okay, great. Great. So, do you want to tell people your website,
Go to
your website
uh,
name,
you
website
want
where they
more
go?
images of that mean go to Play Store. SPS Kalyan Enviro Power
Huh.
app available in that. Machine detail,
Huh.
product detail, everything in that. Yeah. Website
That's
name
good.
SPS
That's
Kalyan
good.
Machine Designer.in. Website name. No.
Got it. All right. Great. And Cheshta, I would like you to share the links of My Waste, My Responsibility. And next Wednesday, we'll see you
Yeah. Okay.
with a new guest. And
Thank you,
thank you
ma'am.
so
Thank you.
much, Kalyan Kumar.
Yeah,
It was
thank you.
lovely talking to you. So much
Thank you.
new things that we learned. And we are going to, and okay, there's a question before we leave. How is raw
Yeah,
coconut
what? Ma'am?
used? Raw
Raw
coconut.
coconut, tender coconut. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, that also possible.
tender coconut. Do
Yeah.
you use that
Yeah,
also?
that also come
Okay.
good answer.
So, so
Yeah,
fiber.
fiber.
It was all
In
fiber,
nearly
huh?
of Bangalore only, that people have a lot
Yeah.
of tender coconut and the coir field are all available. That person, that name Sweda, that ma'am name Sweda, he make it in that after
Huh?
crush that coconut shell, he make it in that material only.
Hmm.
He making four number of machine he have teacup and plate, spoon, knife, 4 to 5 number of machine in her hand. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you
No,
also have
no,
bowls,
not
as
in
in
hand.
the katori, the bowl? So, do you recommend that what material should be used for making a specific thing? Is there that should be kept in mind, or
Yeah,
anything can be made with
anything,
any
any
material?
material. And some other material, example, that banana leaf for all, not possible to make
Mm-hmm.
more lifetime container box. Uh, some material
Yeah.
heated. Example, coir are all no problem. Coir are all more stiffness it's come. Lifetime are also good answer.
Mm-hmm.
Coir, coconut coirs are
Mm-hmm.
all. And the spoons mean coir come good
Yeah.
answer. Spoons are all
Mm-hmm.
good stiffness in that spoon. That cake cutting knife, that one good stiffness in
Yeah.
coir. Some other material support.
Mm-hmm.
Some material not support in that projects.
Okay.
Yeah, to
So
the
you give that
customers.
guidance
Yeah,
to the person who buys. That's great. That's great. I hope everyone's questions are answered. And if we have more
yeah,
questions,
okay,
we'll
ma'am.
invite you
Yeah,
again.
thank
And we
you,
wish
thank
you
you,
all the
thank you,
best. Really nice talking to
thank
you.
you,
All the
thank
best.
you.
All the best. Take care. Bye, everyone. This is how we are wrapping our WWW equals 5R. And we saw how Kalyana Kumar is taking care of everything. Refuse the plastic, reduce waste, and then recycle, reuse, repurpose. So thank you so much, Kalyana Kumar. We learned a lot,
Thank you.
and all the best from all of us. Take care.